Good morning! We have a moon again. It has arrived! The magic I spoke about is actually bigger than I expected. That sounds so wrong. So, some time ago, I had this idea that I wanted to do more cooking videos on this channel because I do like to do that. I have done this for years just without filming it, and it's something I want to do more on my channel. Plus, obviously, when I start traveling again, I want to, you know, taste food from other countries and yeah. But I saw a German food reviewer talk about this, and when I looked into it, I was like, oh my god, I need that. So I went on Amazon and I found it. It is German, and before I say any more, maybe I should show what it is. Ta-da! Can you guys see it? It is a induction hob. Is that what you call it in American? I have been Googling my life away to find out how good this thing is, because obviously you can buy stuff that is not so good, and I think I paid around 500 kronas. I will write the amount what I paid for it. Can we just take a moment to talk about that it has 666 ratings? That is kind of scary. And obviously I didn't want to pay something cheap and then it breaking a week after. I want something that I can trust, especially because that it is, you know, electricity kind of thing, and I'm always a little bit careful. But here she is. It is it is big. Yeah, I am so excited to see how it works. I saw the other female using it, and obviously it makes noise. I mean, you know, you can't really get away with that. And this is built for outside cooking. It is specifically used for like grilling outside, making life easier. And it's just, you know, how cozy would that be to make or create food outside? I would love that. Well, there's a lot of things that is coming up, but at least now we have this baby, and obviously this would not be a video without me trying it, right? So I am going to, maybe I should just not do that. I will try it out. I have the plastic table that I have used for so many DIYs that I want to use when I'm outside. I actually have something I want to do with it. That's also going to be an upcoming video, but I need to buy something for that, so it will come up at some point. But it's plastic, so I don't know, you know, because this heats up. So I just want to, you know, again, I'm very cautious when it comes to stuff like that. So I just want to check out. I think I do have some wood that I potentially could put on it. I'm trying to take the plastic off. And obviously I bought a German one. Who are you blinking at, baby girl? Isn't that strange? Who is Moon blinking at? Spirit. And obviously I bought a German one. Well, for once they have the same plug as we have in Denmark, and second of all, I could find like tutorial or tryout video on YouTube. There's not so many Danes who does that, so that's why I chose this one. It has good reviews on Amazon and obviously on YouTube. Yeah, so that's fun. I'm very excited about this baby. I'm a little terrified, but again, that's just until I start using it. It is the same when I got my my studio flash light kind of thing. I was so terrified using it. Oh yeah, until I started using it, and now it's just like, yeah, it's banged up. It's like actually the flash tube, the round one, actually broke, or it died out, or whatever you call that. So I ordered a new one, and when I received it I realized that I ordered the wrong one. So I just sent it back today so that they can transfer the money and so that I can order the right one. They are very kind. But yeah, this video is just me unboxing something that I once again already unboxed. But I'm very, very excited. It has a timer, it has everything that we need. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to cook with it today. It depends, because I do also have a customer. Oh! He's like, what is that? Did you get afraid? Huh? The silly one. So I'm just going to, you know, watch the tutorial again. And yeah, there's actually another food related video coming up today, because I am going to test something very Danish. A lot of people have been asking about what is the most Danish thing that is a must try when you come visiting Denmark, and that is something I'm going to show. Yaps. But this is going to be it for now. I will see you when I see you with whatever. However, with whatever we do. Alright. Welcome to my cooking studio. We are trying it out. The easiest way, I feel, is actually to cook an egg. So that is what we're going to do. I cannot see what I filmed, so I hope everything is in focus. You do need an extension cord, because obviously this one is not as long. We have checked the cord, it looks fine. I'm just going to clean it. It's also very windy today. One thing I have paid attention to is that it gets scratches very easy. But again, it is how it is. Oh my god. Then you have to start it. I don't know what that means. Because it wants me to... Oh, okay. It wanted me to put something on it. Well, interesting. Oh, okay. I have to be careful because I can't see anything here. So I think I have it on 3. I don't know how much you guys can see. So I guess that we are just trying putting some oil on it. And let's see if it heats up. I'm a little bit unsure, but I think it's the first one that I need to put it on. Should we just crack the egg? I mean, I guess that is the only way how to find out. If it gets hot or not, right? I mean, obviously I could crack it up, right? Because right now it doesn't really seem like anything is happening. Oh, I paused it. That's why. Oh, okay. The sound is apparently normal, because obviously it has the air. Oh, wow, okay. Oh no. Oh no. Now we have a wasp. And what is it that Sandra doesn't like? Wasps. Oh my god, that is fast. Holy F, that is fast. Okay. Oh! I can't believe how fast it is, people. This is faster than... Okay, I put it on 1 because... Yeah. Holy F. Holy F, that is fast. I can't believe it's so fast. Oh my god. Okay, so low temperature is definitely enough. That is actually pretty crazy. Wow. People, we are cooking outside. And this is just a test, I mean, wow. And the sound is actually not as dramatic as I thought it would be. Wow. Damn! That's it. Oh, well, that is the first thing that we tried. Seems pretty easy. So because that I kind of failed with my first attempt with cooking, I'm going to try again. Oh, did I just put this down here? Why did I do that? I hope that I can put it on this. I guess you will see. There will be not so much talking. I'm just going to go with the flow. I am going to cut these veggie hot dogs. Is that what you call it? It's very cozy to be able to actually cook food outside. I have to see if I remember how to do this. And I'm going to let it be at 1. Oh, okay, I don't think the table is completely because it kind of slides off. I know. Okay, so it turns off and you don't put anything on it. Something is happening. Wonder why it makes the beeping sounds. Maybe this one is the wrong one, actually. Maybe I should go pick up the one that I used last time. Do you want to work now? Smells good. It works. It's just a normal bag of vegetables. It's so fast when it heats up, it's crazy. For some reason the West is already here. This is the food. Might be a little bit too much, but
But it's delicious.
But thank you guys so much for being a part of cooking outside, for being a part of the unboxing and review of this baby. I love it so much. I'm gonna use it so much more. But this is the result. It is absolutely delicious. These veggie thingies are just so delicious. But thank you guys for watching. I am going to eat this up while I stare out at the trees, and then I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.